Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an email account step by step. So this tutorial is perfect for beginners, and by the end of this video, you will have your own email address. So let's get started. Here, you have to search for Gmail account and then create a Gmail account, and then have to scroll here, and here is the option. Here the option you can see here, create an account, and you have to click here, create account. For my personal use, you have to put your first and last name, and then next, and you have to fill your date of birth here, and then you have to select your gender, and then next again, and you have to put now password. No, I think so. Okay, you have to select an email address, so you can select this one, these two. Otherwise, create your own Gmail address. So if you want to create your own Gmail address, you can fill this one. Otherwise, you can choose this one, these two also. So I'm choosing this first one, and then next. Here you have to put password, and then this next. So here mainly you have to scan the QR code with your phone, and after that in your phone, after scanning this one, there will be one link type, and you have to click that one link and then verify your mobile number, and then after that verify, return to your other device. I mean, here you'll be able to see one option here, add recovery email, and then you can skip that one. Otherwise, you will click next, and after that your Gmail account will be ready. So this Gmail account, your that email account has been created successfully. There you'll be able to read that option, read that line. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more easy tutorial. Thanks for watching.